61A Lecture Number 31. Announcements. The SCHEME project is due next Wednesday, but you're meant to turn in Checkpoint 1 by today. If for some reason you don't finish it by today, that's not catastrophic. The checkpoint is only 1 point, but I created these checkpoints as guidelines for where you should be in the project. So I strongly recommend that you finish the first 2 questions by today, and it would be great if you made progress on more of the questions, because Checkpoint 2 is due on Thursday, and that's actually most of the project. I think the first 2 questions and the last few questions are actually the most difficult individual questions on the project, but the ones on the middle aren't trivial, and there are a lot of them, and most of them are part of Checkpoint 2. So please try to make some progress every day so that you can finish this project on time. And if you finish a day early, you get an early submission bonus point. Homework 9 is only 1 question. It's there to make sure that you actually watched the lectures from last week. I always get concerned in this part of the course that students will stop watching lecture and fall behind as they're finishing the project, which I don't recommend. Instead, it's better to keep up with lecture and do the project. So that's why there's a Homework 9, and there will be a Homework 10 due next week as well.